Welcome back everyone. The concept for the day is the difference between Gemeinschaft and Gesellschaft. Firstly, this concept was given by Ferdinand Tönnies. Now let's understand the meaning. Firstly, what is Gemeinschaft? So Gemeinschaft is the definition of a social organization in which the people are formed by personal relationship. The people have close ties among themselves, and the people generally have a shared value, meaning or interest with one another, and this can be the definition of any traditional society. So, with this definition, we can fit Gemeinschaft in the category of a community. Next part, what is Gesellschaft? So Gesellschaft will be any kind of social organization which is formed due to some kind of goal to be achieved. And in that social organization, the people generally don't have any kind of personal relationship with one another, and the relationship is impersonal and it is mostly contractual. So when the goal is attempted or achieved in that kind of organization, the organization might not last for a longer period of time. So we can say that Gesellschaft can be fitted into another word which is also association. Let's discuss the examples now. So Gemeinschaft, being community, can be any kind of society which is traditional in nature, or an ancient society, or you can say the tribal society where people generally have a shared interest with one another, and they generally live with one another with common beliefs and values. And now moving into the next example, which is the example of Gesellschaft. So Gesellschaft will be any kind of organizations or association which can be formed due to some kind of goals to be achieved. So for example, any kind of trade unions, or the companies, or the we can say that the industries which are actually developed due to some kind of goal to be achieved. And within that kind of organization, the people generally don't have personal ties with one another. People just have to do their business and have to achieve their goal. That's it.